She giving everything she said she was gonna give and some. You know, literally not even finish the video, go over and add the card. But if you treat this wig and protect her like she should be, she gonna serve you, okay? Guys, I am back with another review, of course, and you guys see the wig cap. And you already know what we're about to do. So today we're gonna get into the new one from Outre. So let's go ahead on and get that, and let's get into her. You have it in two colors. So I did order this wig myself, or both of them myself. I saw it come out and I thought, oh my goodness, it has some chunky deep waves. I'm not waiting on anybody to contact me. I really want to get this wig. So I have it in two colors. I have it in a 1B, and I also have it in my favorite color, which is DR2 Ginger Brown. So if you guys have not watched the video that's behind me, yes sis, go over and check that out. That wig is a flamboyant auburn, and it is by Sensational, and it is Deja. I love it because it reminds me so much of the DR2 Ginger Brown that Outre has put out. So go watch that video. I'll definitely link it below. That's just playing behind me if you want to kind of sneak and get a little look at that. So anyway, the wig, this is how it comes. This is the stock card, excuse me, on the wig. And yeah, she wearing it, she's slaying it. You guys know I love the Melted Hairline, so when I seen it, I said, add to cart, I need her in my life. Yes. So I'm not going to put on the 1B because I feel like it's so basic. We're not going to be basic today. We're going to go ahead on and we're going to do the DR2 Ginger Brown. And 1B, you know, I can just show it to you guys. So I'll just show it to you just so you can kind of see the waves in there or whatever. But I don't feel like I want to put it on, you know. I just really feel like I want to be a little extra. So the 1B, it's 1B. It's just 1B. It's just 1B. I'm sure it's gorgeous. We're gonna go put it over to the side. So let's get into this one. I took it out and was like, ma'am, yes. I really love the color. This color has grown on me all week. I wore that flamboyant auburn, and everybody just kept saying, "Girl, I love your hair. I love your hair. I love your hair." And I just was like, "Thanks, sis." It's a wig. So this is the waves. Give it up. Y'all already know. Give it up. Look at that. She's serving. She's serving fresh out the pack. So you guys already know how we feeling. We feeling giddy. We feeling happy. We feeling, oh my goodness. Hairline on point. Dark root. Look at the parting area. Scalp. Can we say scalp? She has scalp. I'm loving it. Love this deep wave. It is so lightweight. This hair is super soft. I want to keep the waves. I want to keep it like this, you guys, so I'm going to try to keep it like this. Hairline on this looks good as well. So we're gonna go ahead on and just do my normal with this. Obviously it's a melted hairline. Y'all already know they're coming through with combs, they're coming through with a strap, they're coming through, you know, with all that good stuff. So you get two combs inside, you get a comb in the back, or two combs on the side, a comb in the back, and you do get your little strap here, so you don't have to necessarily supposedly like spray it down. I don't know, with it being a middle part, I might spray it down, or I may put on a wig grip. Underneath, look at that. Now this is obviously where it usually like gets all like ratty and stuff under there, so I'll probably put some baby oil on my hands and just go through the hair. That way, you know, I can kind of prevent that, or at least prolong it. But yeah, this color is so pretty. I love this color. So I'm gonna go ahead on and start chitty chat, and we're gonna go ahead on and get into her. Hopefully we can make her throw and go, girl. But look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yes! Let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead on and get into it real quick. I'm gonna use some of my Aussie Freeze spray around the hairline because I'm gonna push those baby hairs back a little bit with my brush, and then after that I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. So I wanted to keep them. The hairline on this is phenomenal. It looks really good. It looks very natural. The knots look really good. It's a melted hairline, so you always know they come through. The lace is really light, and I'm going to say it right now, I probably should have used some of my Evelyn New York on this. I ended up using just a little bit of powder, and it was still ghostly white around there. So when I reapply this or wear it later, I'm definitely going to have to use some of Evelyn New York. So I'm showing you guys how light it is, and then I'm showing you that I'm going in with some of my powder. So the powder I'm using is going to be the Physicians Formula powder, and I just feel like it just didn't do it justice. I should have went ahead and sprayed it, and then maybe use a little bit of powder and then blow dried it or whatever, you know, just to get it into the lace. So what I'm showing you guys here is that I had on a light color cap, and you can see it. Don't do it, sis. Go ahead and put on a black cap or none at all. So I wanted to put on a wig grip because I wanted to make it more of a throw and go, so that it wouldn't move if I wore it as a middle part. Obviously, I decided not to wear it as a middle part and to wear it as a left part because I'm a left side part girl. But I'm going to show you guys how it looks as a middle part. So there it is as a middle part, and I was like, it's just not me. I feel like, you know, it just wasn't me. So I went ahead on and switched it over. So now I didn't totally put it to the left side, but obviously I didn't leave it in the middle. So this is what I did. I'm trying to make sure that I'm keeping the same look because I want all those waves and all that chunkiness. I just want all that. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna switch it over like slightly. Then I'm gonna work on the hairline. I did not have to do much. Literally, Outre, y'all did all the work for us. Thank you so much. Okay, so I didn't have to do too much to it. I just went in and pulled it down and just sprayed it a little bit around the hairline, and I used some of my bed hair for that, and it ended up coming out really good. Once I sprayed it, it laid down like so quick, so it pretty much just worked out. Because sometimes when you spray it, the lace is when you have the Evelyn New York on there, the lace will be like too thick and it doesn't lay down right or something. So, you know, anyway, this time it did. So I went in obviously to give it a slick look, and I used my hot comb and laid it down. Now I used some more powder on this, but like I said, you can still see it really being really ghostly, you know, afterwards. Now I'll tell you guys, I didn't show it and I didn't say it here, but I did tie my hair up later, Ron, like in the nighttime, and I think that was better. And another thing I did that I didn't mention is I used some water to take care of the little bit of frizz that comes along with this. So this is the back of the hair. Like I said, take it in, sis. Look at them deep waves. Like, are you seasick? Are you seasick? Girl, yes. So let's go on and get into some of my pros and my cons, okay? Honey, she popping. I tell y'all all the time about Outre. They don't care about us. They come through and they like, this is what I got. Do you want it? I saw this wig and I'm a sucker for deep waves. I'm a sucker for this color, and I'm like, I have got to get it in this color. I need to, before I post this, go order me another one for a backup. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do have it in a number color 1B. And that is just going to be, like I said, just a backup to have it if I want just some really pretty curls or something like that, or deep waves. But this wig is really pretty. So it is a middle part wig. I ended up switching it kind of like to the left side, not all the way, but a little bit to the left side because I'm just not really that much of a middle part girl. It just depends on the wig. But I prefer left side, so I was like, we'll go with a slight left, not all the way over, but you know. Doing it like this is nice. It's easy to do, and it doesn't knock to me the style off. You knock off the ear tabs just a little bit. I didn't even put this one all the way down, but it's not bad. So if I want to, I can just switch it back and make it a middle part. I did use a wig grip with this, and I just put a couple sprayed around the edges. Other than that, honey, and I wanted to go in with a little bit of my baby oil, which, do I have it up here? I think I do. I have some watermelon and aloe. I know this is a synthetic wig, you guys, but sometimes I be treating them like my human hair wigs, and I just want to go in with a little bit. Just one, so it can smell really good. And then two, for like any frizz. So pros and cons to this. First of all, it's a melted hairline, so they did not disappoint with this one, okay? I'm just gonna tell y'all, to me personally, they didn't disappoint. I didn't have to wand curl, I didn't have to deep wave, I didn't have to do any of that stuff, and I got that in this. And honey, in the black, I'm sure it's going to, somebody gonna slay it. I'm not gonna put the black on. It's gonna be everything. It's gonna be human hair, it's gonna be a dupe, it's gonna be all that stuff, okay? It's gonna make you really don't have any cons with the wig. everything about it that someone could say is going to be a con, like it's gonna frizz, it's gonna tangle. That's stuff that you already know is going to happen for this $30-something wig, which I think is in the $30 range. Hey, you know, we expect that. But if you treat this wig and protect her like she should be, okay, she gonna give you looks. She gonna serve you looks, and she gonna give you everything that you need from her. The fuzz, like I said, the frizz, I just went in with a little bit of oil, and that's pretty much it on that. Just don't put your hands in her too much, and I think you'll be okay when it comes to that. Tangling, you're not gonna get that right away. I went in underneath. I always tell you guys, my little secret is just to go in underneath with a little bit of oil on my hands, and I just put that in the nape of my neck, and I just of the hair, and I rub that in. And what it does is it makes those fibers slick so that they don't get all tangled up and mangled up and be looking like a bird's nest. I do that with all my wigs, whether I do it on camera or I tell you guys, that's pretty much what I do with my synthetic wigs. Immediately when I pull the wig out, most of the time I've already sprayed my hands and I've already run through it. And again, to me, it makes the wig not bird's nest too much. You can switch this. So if I switch it to the left, obviously you can switch it to the right, but still look good. This parting area, look how much parting area you get on this. Like, this parting area is ridiculous. It doesn't say, but honey, you getting what, 4 inches? Possibly 5 inches matter. Okay, so you're getting that with that. It's nice and flat. The braids underneath here have seen better days, so it's my hair is not flat. It's just gorgeous. Give it up for the dark root, girl. Is that coming from my scalp with this dark root? It's just too much. Love the natural tips on this. Look at the natural tips on how it just naturally goes. You get a couple different like dimensions in here, and like I said, you have to get hair this long. I don't know, what is this, 28 inches? Maybe, yeah, it gotta be like about 28 inches, because if you stretch it, it's even longer, but with the bounce, it's about here. So yeah, if you had to wand curl it or something, yeah, that would be a little bit much. Otherwise, it's beautiful. Like I said, I think it can get big. That's the only thing I'm gonna say. Yeah, she's serving. So I have seen a couple reviews. I think I seen 2. I think I seen Deanna Monet, and then I seen Courtney, is it Courtney Janine? Yeah, Courtney Janine. I think I saw her video on it. I haven't seen any more, but you guys, this is beautiful. If you get your hands on her, pick her up. Lightweight, gorgeous. I mean, and in this color, yeah, definitely coming through. So thank y'all for catching the video today. Thank y'all for pulling up on a sister to my returning subscribers and my YouTube babes. So make sure you guys are following me on all my social medias. I know social media. So if y'all decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. You guys know I want to know. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.